Welcome once again. Here on this particular slide show, we need to discuss about the scientific nature of sociology. Now the question is sociology a science course? Well, to understand more better about this, let me explain further. Sociology always adopt a positive approach to study of every society. Sociology is basically concerned with what was or what is or what will be. Sociology is not concerned with what ought to be. That's what makes sociology a science-related course. So basically, we can also further explain that sociology engages in systematic study which include definition of problems, formulation of hypotheses or possible solution to be verified through the gathering of relevant data, analysis of data before arriving at a particular conclusion. These characteristics makes it to have the tone of what is called science in it. But for the fact that we are studying human beings which are dynamic in nature and which might not be testable from a constant say, we now have to fall to the category of being a social science course, because human beings are so dynamic, they are unpredictable. But with the aid of sociology, we try to gather data about them, we verify, analyze, and give a thorough output on it. So that makes a sociology to be a pure social science course. So it is just a partial science related course, not full science courses. Because as a science courses, if you test a particular a theory here in Nigeria, you say water is H2O. As a as a scientist, you say water is H2O. Go to anywhere in the world, water is H2O. But human being that sociology study, you cannot say, oh, black man don't behave like this in African countries, so that's the way they behave in the whole world. No, you cannot judge it that way. There might be changes to human behavior, human attitude in one particular area to the other.